So yesterday I was recording video lecture and then I forgot. I think I skipped the cycles in the run rules. So I'm just gonna go back to it and so let me record this here for you. So of course in run rules we did outliers and then shift of mean or 7 consecutive points and then 7 increasing or decreasing points, and here I think this is what I forgot to record. Okay, so this is the number 4 run rule, and it's on the cycles. So cycles, we're looking for the patterns of the data and that repeat, of course. The points are relatively, they're predictable, but then when you look at it, you can see a very clear pattern, okay, cycle patterns here. So that's a 1 cycle, 2 cycle, and then so on. So there's no preset number of points required for a cycle, but when it is apparent, then that the data is not randomly dispersed, and you can see it randomly dispersed mean our normal process control pattern, and this is definitely not normal because you can see so many points and then it is definitely following a cycle pattern. Cycle meaning like a loop, so it's like looping from here. I would generally say like from here to here is one, and here to here is another cycle, and here so on, keep going on this R chart. R chart, we sometimes call it a range. The real name is a range chart, so sometimes we also call it run charts. It's because of the run rules. Depends on however you wanna say it. It's okay, but the real name is R for range. Even though we go R for run. So every time when we observe a cycle, like that, what we do is the source of that cycle you gotta identify. You have to take a look at, okay, what's going on, right? What's going on here in this data set? And the cost of cycles is typically something that influences the process periodically, okay? Like your daily or weekly or seasonally, annually, bi-weekly, so and so. It depends on your work, okay, schedule. So example of causes is like your temperature changes, okay, operator fatigue, and electricity or power fluctuations, things like that, in the manufacturing environment or your factory environment. So anyway, so that's about the run rules for cycles. Try to spot those type of patterns for cycles, and if you got it, you have to do something about it. So anyway, I forgot to record this, and I am putting this into here for you.